Wow, we're gonna put it on Facebook, okay? They might see you and they will ask you to model Disney Channel. You might become a superstar just like Hannah Montana. Yeah? Easy. You wanna be like Hannah Montana? Or probably Dora. Wow. She is super good. We are doing later. That's why she don't feel it. Wow. She's gonna be in my little TV in the front again. They're gonna see you again. They're gonna make you popular, yeah? You're my number one patient. Good job. The laser makes the tooth slip. No need the needle, yeah?